Hi, my name is Jason Clementi. I'm the chef at Everyday Gourmet, located at Department of Labor, Building 12. Today we're going to be making baked macaroni and cheese, collard greens, and southern fried chicken. We're going to start off with making collard greens. How I prepare my collard greens, I buy smoked turkey. I add a chicken bouillon, and then with that, we'll cover the turkey with a little bit of water, just covering it. And now after we cook that, throw that on the stove. We'll cook that for about 45 to 55 minutes until the turkey comes off the bone. Now for the greens, cut as much as the stems inside. Then we're gonna add water to fill it up, to cover the greens. Your different spices are gonna be, I add a touch of sugar, a touch of salt, a little touch of vinegar, some crushed red pepper, and a little touch of Adobo seasoning. After you add all your ingredients, you're gonna put it on top of the stove and cook for about 2.5 to 3 hours. To make our mac and cheese, we start off with a pound of melted butter. We add flour. We cook this on the stove on a low heat until it comes like a paste almost. We're gonna add our heavy cream, cooking that at a low heat again, simmering it. As it starts to get a slight boil, we're gonna add our cheese. I like the New York State sharp cheddar. I added 2 types of cheese. I add a yellow cheddar and a sharp white cheddar. Bringing this to a boil once again, it'll come out with a nice consistency. Then we take our cooked elbow pasta, incorporate it into our cheese sauce. After we get everything mixed, we want to add to our baking pan. I like to add shredded cheese. This is a Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese blend. And after that, I like to top it. This is an option, breadcrumbs, seasoned breadcrumbs. So now after that, we're gonna place it in the oven at 350 degrees, bake it for 45 minutes covered, then another 10 minutes uncovered. Next is a southern fried chicken. I like to use the different cut up pieces of chicken, breast, leg, wings, and thighs. I first start by adding a couple of eggs, beat it up. I like to add a little bit of yellow mustard, and I massage that all into the chicken. The spices, I like to add granulated garlic, black pepper, a little touch of Larry's seasoned salt, a little bit of Sassoon, a little touch of regular salt. I do that on both sides. After the chicken is nice and seasoned, dredge it in flour. When I cook my fried chicken at home, I try to cook the breasts and thighs by themselves, being that it takes a little bit longer for them. You also want to make sure that all your chicken is cooked to the internal temperature of 170. So there you have it, authentic soul food meal. You have southern fried chicken, home-style baked macaroni and cheese, and the collard greens with smoked turkey.